told is that he's truly day-to-day. He got treatment at the facility today and is off crutches. And the hope is, what I'm told, is that he would travel with the team on their upcoming 5-game road trip with the hope that he can return to play, but it's all dependent on his pain tolerance, which, by the way, is pretty high. In the meantime, Miles McBride will get the start, but Mike Brown just told us that in his system, 1 through 4 is interchangeable, so we could see a point guard by committee with several people kind of getting the offense started.